November 2nd, and I just want to do a quick video on my rainwater catchment system. It's not quite done, neither is my house, but it's functioning, which is super cool. So you can see right here, a little bit of a trickle coming out of here. That is accumulation of mist. I'm not kidding you. That's coming off all the roofs of my greenhouse and garage and my house. And even these, all the water that's touching the surface of the roof in here comes down. Half of it comes through this way and goes into these cisterns that are under the ground here. And then the other half comes to the back and then underneath all this and then through the other cistern, which is under here. And here is where it all is. And we have yet to put the hatch on here, but this is functioning. And the only purpose of this is just to get access to the plumbing if I need it. And I can change a couple things around. And this system is basically just a rainwater catchment system, and it allows me to get off-grid water in the sense that I could get water into my house without any electricity, because this PVC lines here take the cisterns combined, which is 2,000 gallons total, and then runs it up into there, into the house. And I have a pump inside. It's not installed yet, but I can manually pump for a period of time to charge the pressure tanks in the utility room of the house, and then use that to send water to any faucet in the house. So this is really just a backup system. But it's also a nice clean way of collecting all the rainwater, because it's all coming out of that culvert right here. So it all spills over underground. This culvert goes in here, and then eventually I'll bring it out and just dump it right off the edge. But I have so much construction to do down here that burying a line in here is pointless. It'll just get wrecked. But that's how this is working. And on a day like this, it's so cool because there's just consistent water flowing through here, and it's not even raining. Mind you, it's been raining, but it's still not, it hasn't been raining all day. It's just misty, but that's just passive water flowing in here. So I essentially, when the weather's like this, I have an unlimited supply of water that I could potentially tap from. But I'll use my well as long as it's available and as long as I have electricity to do so. But if I didn't, I would use this.